Hello guys, kamusta? So update lang for our REITs investments, specifically C-REITs, no? So right now, we have several REITs investments. So ang lately na dinagdag natin yung A-REIT, yung Ayala REIT sa tinatawag. So okay naman siya, but slowly accumulating pa rin tayo. But alam niyo naman, looking through my videos, no, yung mga past videos ko, C-REITs talaga yung matagal na nating investment, no, sa REITs, no? So right now, nagbigay ulit siyang dividend May 13, so ex-date April 17, 2024. So, ibig sabihin ito yung cut-off. So, if you're a shareholder of C-REITs, no, as of April 17, pasok ka sa dividendo. Kumbaga, entitled ka for dividends. Yun ibig sabihin ng ex-date, guys. No? So, ito, nakikita nyo dyan dito. And cash dividend niya, 0.54, 0.054 rather per share. No? So, we have 100,000 shares. So, nakuha natin 5,400 less tax, of course, no? Withholding, we have 4,860, no? 4,860 na